Alright, today is a huge milestone. I don't know what kind of video I'm going to make out of this, but this is my 2021 Street Bob 114. Do my helmet strap while this fires up. This is the first time since my MSF course that I've ridden a Harley Davidson motorcycle. This is the first time I've ridden a bike of this engine speed and size. As stated by the name, this is a 114 cubic inch and 6-speed transmission with a stage 3 on it. So let's shut up and let's ride. So let's see how we handle. I'm not gonna gun it just yet. Just gonna see. This is actually not terrible for the footing position. You know, being so used to the front forward controls, this isn't so bad with how I'm positioned. And the size of the bike, this isn't so bad. Whoo, baby, that's got torque. And that's only in 3rd gear. Sounds good too. Alright, I mean, I can dig that. I can get down on that. Them brakes I gotta get used to, that's for sure. So let's see. Yeah, this is the first time I've ridden this Harley Davidson. And I haven't ridden with Ape since my Shadow. See if I can practice a Yui here. See how my D-cell feels. A lot better than the Shadow, that's for sure. Oh, she is just chugging. Chug. I like it. Not terrible. This is not terrible at all. So, so let's take it back on the road and see how should we. Oh yeah, self-canceling turn signals. I dig that. Wow, this is gonna get me in trouble. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is what's gonna be the motorcycle that gets the Esoteric rider in trouble. I mean, that drag is something fierce. Rice Krispie, you better listen to me, and you listen to me good, son. I'm coming for you on my Street Bob 114, because, brother, you don't want it. I promise you that you don't. Man, this is a fun bike right here, baby. This isn't so bad. You know, it's about the same weight as a Honda Fury. You know what I'm saying? Like, this ain't so bad. The braking ain't bad. You got your little gear indicator. Oh man, this would be much more fun if it wasn't so cold outside. But yeah, man, this is oh man, this is fun stuff. There's probably people thinking, what is this maniac doing on his Harley in 39, 38 degree weather right now? Dude, I almost can't feel my hands already, and plus my thing keeps fogging up, so. Dude, that torque is like Wu-Tang Clan. It ain't nothing to f with. Cause whoa, baby. You know the bike is fast when you get a personal warning from the original owner that says, hold on when you gas it, or hold on when you crank that throttle, because baby, you will go back. And this seat is doing a great job of holding me down. Holy shit. Yeah, this is gonna get me in trouble. Only in the best of ways, you know. So there ain't nothing to worry about there. So, oh man, this is a fun bike right here. Yeah, that is some mean. Yeah, that shifting is a little bit different. Braking ain't so bad. Like I'm just not used to being all the way up, or well, excuse me, all the way up there for my braking. So it's just kind of like, wait, what's going on right now? The takeoff and first isn't so bad, and plus the throttle control is, like, for being super torquey when you actually get on it, it's not bad. And I can imagine it's even easier with, like, if you have it like bone stock or just like maybe a stage 1. It's definitely not so bad. So yeah, this ain't bad. This ain't bad for my first Harley. I don't know what that van wanted to do. Man, I can dig that sucker. Hoo-wee! Alright, let me give my hands a chance to warm up real fast. I'm not used to this kickstand either, that's for sure. Like, there is nothing more sketchy than a single hot woman wanting to meet in your area and a Harley Davidson kickstand. Oh yeah. There's the custom seat I was talking about. I don't know the brand or like the model name, but I know it's from Drag Specialties because obviously that's what the tag says right there. This is a D&D 2-into-1 pipe. Again, don't know the actual model name, so don't quote me on that. I'm thinking about throwing some Cobra El Diablo 2-into-1s on it, or I can be generic and put some of the 2-into-2, the short shots for Vance and Hines. I think Miss Esoteric is going to like this one, but I think I'm going to need to tell her sissy bar because that thing is going to throw her. It's going to throw her back. If I decide to punch the throttle, which I don't think I will, of course, I ride super safe with my passengers, obviously. But, you know, it's still the fact of the matter. Sometimes motorcycles have a mind of their own. So let's straddle back on and get her back home. Oh, that's not very satisfying. U-turning ain't that bad. I gotta get used to these turn signals too. And that brake. I'm used to my brake being so much more up high. Alright, I ride a Harley Davidson, so that doesn't mean I gotta obey the law. Just kidding, just kidding. Yikes, dude. I love it. Oh man, that is something else, man. You know, with these 14s, man, these are like, this actually isn't so bad leaning into these curves. Maybe because I'm used to the weight of the bike, like since this is almost the same weight as the Honda Fury, minus like 5 to 10 pounds, like this isn't so bad, you know what I'm saying? Like, you think it'd be a little worse being that both your rake and your wheelbase isn't as far out, but you know, it's not so bad. It's really not bad. I would have been just fine with the stock bars. I think they're 10s, maybe 12s, I don't really remember. But yeah, this isn't bad at all. Like the handling is great. Yeah. All right, I cannot feel my fingers, so that means it is time to wrap it up.